This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this video, I want to tell you about a relatively new feature from Apple, and this is search ads. Now you can pay to get up in the top of Apple App Store search results. And right now, they even give, as you can see right here, 100 free credit. All you have to do is just get started and sign up. And the way this works is kind of like if you think about Google, when you make a Google search, you see a bunch of ads that come up first. In fact, I'll do that for you so you can see it. If I search for business plan, even though I mistyped it here, it will still be, you see, like, this is an ad, like this is an ad, this is an ad, and you can see it because it has a little bit of a, right here it says ad. And so the first four things are ads, and I don't even see the actual organic results. And this is what you can recreate for the App Store with your app. You can get your app to be the #1. And always when these things are new, few app developers jump on it, so the ads become really cheap per download, per install, really cheap, because you have little competition. Long term, you'll have more and more competition. It will become more competitive. And you can boost your downloads with the ads, but only with one caveat, and please take this caveat seriously, that if your app is not competitive in engagement, the boost in downloads won't help it to rank much higher. You'll only get a benefit of ranking higher if you get more downloads, and then those downloads engage with your apps really well, better than with your competitors. Then you will get an amazing, almost like a 1 + 1 = 3, where you do search ads, get traffic from that, then that traffic has good engagement and boosts you in search results so that you naturally rank for organic keywords, and then you get more traffic from the organics ranking that you're now ranking higher. So this is the right way to do mobile apps ads. If you just jump in before your app is really ready, you'll get some downloads, but I don't know that there will be a whole lot of amazing things that will happen from those downloads other than helping you test and see what they do on your app. But you'll only really get the great benefit from the downloads once your app is really bug-free, really easy to use, really gives people amazing benefits, all these things that I've been talking about throughout this course.